Hey everyone, if you're having trouble signing into Pixlr, getting login errors, stuck on the sign-in page, or unable to access your account, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Pixlr login issues in 2026. First, double-check your email address and password. A simple typing mistake is one of the most common reasons users can't log in. If you've forgotten your password, use the password reset option to create a new one. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Pixlr is a web-based platform, so login requests require a reliable connection to communicate with its servers. If you're using Google, Facebook, or another third-party sign-in method, verify that you're selecting the correct account. Many users have multiple accounts and accidentally choose the wrong one during login. Another quick fix is refreshing the page and attempting to sign in again. Temporary website glitches can occasionally interrupt the authentication process. You should also clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with login sessions and prevent successful authentication. And that's how to fix Pixlr login issues in 2026. In most cases, checking your credentials, clearing browser data, updating your browser, or disabling conflicting extensions will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.